Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before starting the video, I just wanted to know your feedback on my recent videos on Excel. Like how informative are these videos? Are they really helpful for you to make your job easy or not? Let me know your feedback in the comment section, and also let me know what kind of Excel topics you want me to make. So I will, based on your feedback, I will start making those videos only. Yeah, let's get started to today's video. So in this video, I will show you the main difference between the nested if and switch formula. So here I have a sample data of sizes and chest inches. So based on this data, we will be writing nested if and switch formula. So switch is basically an alternative to nested if. Let's see why it is an alternative to nested if, and let's see what difference we get in both these formulas. So let's start the formula with nested if. So before that, I will enter the chest inches size as 36 here. Right now, let's start. Apply the nested if formula equal to if the logical test here will be this value f4. If f4 is equal to 36, then the value will be small, right? Right here, once again we need to write the if condition because this is nested if, right? So once again write the if condition. Open the bracket. The logical test will be same here. If f4 equal to 39, then the value will be sorry, then the value will be medium. Double quotations. Once again, if condition uh, and logical test will be same here. Equal to 42, comma double quotations. Then it will be large. Double quotations. So make sure you close the brackets correctly here. So here we have written three if conditions. So right. So we need to close the bracket three times here. So one is closed, the second one, and the third one. And now hit enter. Now we got the size as 36. So the size as small, right? So here, if I change the value, um, then the size will change to medium. Now if I change it to 42, it will change to large. Now let's apply switch formula for the same criteria here. Equal to switch. Here the expression will be this one. So f4 is this is the expression, and the value here will be 36, comma result will be if 36 is true, then the result is small, comma, and if the value is 39, the result will be medium. And next is 42. If the value is 42, the result will be large. So let's understand the formula here. So here the expression will be same throughout the formula. We don't have to write multiple expressions every time. So apart from that expression, the only thing is the values and results. Uh, so here we need to enter the value and the result. So now let's hit enter. Now we got large. Now let's change this and see if both are working same. Right. So both the formulas are working same, right? So then here a question rises here. So what is the difference here? So what is the difference between these two formulas? Because both the formulas are giving us the same result. So the difference is, so here we have two differences. Um Nested if formula is a bit difficult to read and it is a bit lengthy as well because it has three if conditions in it. But whereas in switch formula we have only one expression and the rest other formula indicates only has only values and results, and it is also easy to write than nested if. Right? So that is one main difference. So the another difference, another drawback which I would say here is that In nested if we can use conditions, but in switch we cannot use conditions. So what does that exactly mean? So suppose in this nested if formula, if I use any conditions, so condition is basically means greater than or less than symbol. So in this formula I used this condition. If for greater than or equal to 42, then it will be large, right? So here I have included this condition. Now let's hit enter, and now let's change this inches to 45. Now you can observe this two formulas here. Now you can see nested if has given as the large value, right? But if I apply the same condition in switch formula, so equal to sorry, greater than equal to 42, I'm getting an error. Let's put it in the double quotations and hit enter. Now again I'm getting the same error, right? So that is the main difference. In if we can use the conditions, but in switch formula we cannot use the conditions here, right? So that is the main difference, main drawback I would say in switch formula. So if the inches value is greater than 42, then the size will be large here. So that is how you can use the conditions in if. So let me revert it back to 42. So apart from this, so let me write the difference here. So hard to read, easy to read. Uh, we can use conditions. We cannot use conditions, right? So that is the main difference. And one more thing, in switch formula we can also use the default value. So let's see what that exactly mean here. So in this case, let me write once again, rewrite it to 45, and now here let me apply the condition. Like now here I'm getting this as an error, right? So instead of showing this as an error, I will apply the default value, right? So I don't want that error to be shown. I want any default value in that place. So if any of these three conditions won't work, then I want this default value to be replaced. So what is that default value? Um, Size not available. So this will be my default value. So this default value only works when these three conditions are not applicable, right? So that is also one advantage of using the default value in switch formula. So yeah, so that is one advantage as well in switch formula. Now let's take one more example of switch formula. So here I have student names and the membership discounts for each student. So whoever is having the green card, the student will get 30% discount. So if a student has orange membership card, then he will be getting 20% discount. If the student has yellow card, he will be getting 10% discount. Let's apply the switch formula and see how we can do this. So I'm writing the switch formula again. So here the expression will be green, C4 equal to green, then the discount will be 30%. And if so, here expression will be same. We don't have to write it multiple times. So here once again the value, if it is orange, then the result will be 20%. And if the value is yellow, the result will be 10%, right? And if any of this membership doesn't match, then the default value will be not a valid membership should display it, right? It will be the default value only when these three conditions won't get applicable, right? If these three conditions won't work, then we will get the default value as not a valid membership, Right now, let's drag this formula here. And so Shiva has got the green membership, so he got 30% discount. So Charan has got yellow membership card and he got 10% discount. Ravi has got orange membership card and he got 20% discount. So if I change this yellow to some other color, let's say black, then you can see here I got the default value, because here these conditions are getting did not work out. So in place of that condition we got that default value, right? So that is a main usage of that default value in switch formula. So if I type right here, you can see the we got the default value here, right? So that is the main usage of default value. And here uh, so that is the main that is how you can use the switch formula in Excel. I hope you understood the difference between the nested if and the switch formula, and also what are their drawbacks, and which one is easy and which one is hard. uh, so it depends on what kind of scenario you have. So based on that scenario, you can use any of these formulas. So if you have any questions from this video, please put them in the comment section. I will answer them. Thanks for watching.